Boys. Boys. Hello? We should be live. Boys, we should be live. And my mic's working. Amazing. Amazing. Truly. Alright. So yeah, we're gonna be doing some coding today, chat. Let me go to announcement, everyone. Streaming right now. So this is our code. A little code that we have. It's a script. So this basically just says, look at this pixel on your screen. If it's this color, do this, which is replicate the key press of D. So, yeah. So this actually does work. I don't know how to do loops. So we're gonna figure it out together how to do loops. So yeah. I'm gonna go pull up like a video on my second monitor of how to do loops in Python. And yeah, we're gonna go do that. How to loop a program in Python. My fucking dogs are barking. Alright. While loop, for loop. Yeah, let's watch this. For and range. Okay, so let me try to do a for loop. So it's just for in range. Just a little. For underscore in range 100. Okay. So I have to end that, I think. All right. So this should make it where it does it 100 times. And then it stops instead of one time. So we can actually test this. So I have a PNG of the color that it's scanning for. And where is it? It's like, yeah, here it is. All right. So now if we zoom in, this should be around where it is. We're just going to click this. Maybe it's not working. I have no clue. Running dedicated terminal. Let's do like 1,000 or something. Like a kind of a bigger number. So that's not working. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna paste in a Claude or something and ask what I could do better. Why is this not working? I was thinking of a solution. I could use the Tinketer, like Tinketer API or whatever it's called. Oh, I forgot to paste the fucking thing. I could probably use the Tinketer API and just do the loop, like the root loop that comes with it. Maybe. I don't know. I have experience with Tinketer, and that's how I know. It's an indentation problem. Look at your for loop. Because only X is indented, the entire body of your loop runs the 10,000 times pointlessly. Then once the loop finishes, runs the rest of your code. Okay, so I gotta indent. So I have to like indent all of this, I think. What it's telling me. So if I like go like this, fuck, 1 second. If I go like this, and if keyboard. So apparently if I do this, it should fix it. Dude, this code is so fucking ugly. Holy. Alright, let's try this. Let's pull up our image. Why did I close my image? Whatever. We're gonna pull up this image. It's working, boys. You see that? The reason it's doing that is because it's hitting the F keys. Let's go. Okay, so now if I pull up Rhythm Plus, which is the game I am using for this shitty little example. So we're going to be loading the song. Start our script. Let me resume. I think it should work on my other monitor. Fuck, come on. Come on. Why is it not working? Why is it not working? Motherfucker. Okay. It might have just stopped. Let's make it run like 10,000 times or something. Because just like make it a massive number. Alright. Let's just confirm that it still works. See, I don't really know how this works. Okay, so it's running still, as we can see. Not even touching the keyboard. How much can I zoom out before it like... Okay, so it's about this part on the screen. Yeah, so it's working still. Just don't touch it. Oh, yo. Okay. So it is in fact doing it. Just not doing it. Okay. I think it's still working. We're just not gonna touch my keyboard. See? Why is it like it is working? I'm not touching my keyboard. You guys would hear it. I don't know why it's like why it's taking so long. There's like such a big delay on how long it takes. Here, let me bring the code back up on the screen. I'm thinking actually I have no clue why it's taking this long. Maybe if I do like a shorter number, let me close Control C or whatever to let me close these Python shells. I don't know why it's not working for what we wanted to do. Let me try to replay it and then run in dedicated terminal. I don't know how long 100 takes. So 100's way too little time. Alright. So that didn't work. Let's bring the code back up here. See, I don't know. I think I might just adjust like for when it. Let's bring this down to 420 on each side. And maybe that'll help. Is there a way I can do like here? Let me go ask like Claude real quick. Because I'm not very familiar with what I'm using right now. I'm gonna go ask them if like I can. Is there a way I can make it, instead of only scanning 1 pixel, it scans like an area around the pixel? Question mark. Yeah. Okay, so box underscore size is what. So can I just slot it in here? Box underscore size equals 20. I don't know if that's gonna work. Like, I really don't. Let me just copy this and paste it. Fuck. Yeah, let me try box underscore size. Hope Claude isn't fucking shitting me right now, because to be honest, I don't even know if there's a variable in, like, I don't know if there's a variable in the library I'm using. Okay, let's make this like 10,000 or something, like huge, and let's try it again. Replay. Go ahead and start the thing. Start. Hopefully this will work. So we brought the like, it's still way too high. So it didn't break my code. So we're gonna bring it down to like 320. It did not break the code, so that's good. I mean, it's better than it breaking the code not working. So I'm guessing that there is a variable called, you know. Also, we're gonna increase this fucking shit by a lot, so it gets more time to register. We're gonna do like 100 pixels or something. Let's just try 100. We're gonna try 100 pixels for the, fuck, 1 second, for the box size. I'm thinking 100 could work. Here, let me pull it up on my screen so you guys can actually see. I'm thinking 100 pixel for the box size should work. Chat, what do you guys think? You think 100 pixels works? So yeah, everything good. Yeah. Alright. So we got everything. Let's try the rhythm game again and see if it actually works. If not, I'm gonna have to look into like a different solution. Replay, start the script. Run in dedicated terminal. Alright, start. So hopefully this will work and I won't have to play the fucking game. I don't know what the fuck the problem is. Like, it's working sometimes. It just like, it doesn't, I don't know. There's no way the, like, the program's taking, like, is it just taking a long time? I don't know. Huh. How do I make sure, like, let's just run undedicated term. Run as task. What does that do? Whatever. Executing task. Maybe that'll do something. I've never ran as a task. I just realized it's probably gonna take so long to fucking execute this stat. Okay. Like, why? Why is it doing that? I don't understand. Chat. Why this fucking code is not working. This should be like the simplest shit ever. This should not be this fucking difficult. Like, it's just not working. And I don't know why. So yeah, it's still not fucking kill terminal. I'm gonna close VS Code and reopen it. Just so I know that I'm using the most update fucking shit. Alright. Let's try now. It's gonna be some stupid bullshit, I swear. Run Python and dedicated terminal. Start. Chat, should I turn the tolerance up? I think we can do a higher tolerance. Let me... Can I go to like a different... Okay, let's go to a different song, maybe. Is there one where it's not like there's no background? I'm guessing not. Let's go to one like... Sure, this... Why'd Peyton Henry Jackson just text me? Alright. Let's just go with this one, because this one looks like it's not gonna fucking kill itself. Yo. Yo, that's kind of working. I'm open chat or like Claude and ask them how I can increase like. Maybe I should make the box size like even bigger. Maybe like 300, 400 pixels. Because the thing I think is happening is that the program is running too slow and it's skipping over. Like it's skipping... Like it's skipping the pixels. Because I have it scanning for 1 pixel, which is not very much time for the program to run, I'm guessing. Okay, now that that's done, let me kill terminal. Restart the terminal. Replay. Let's try this. Okay. Like, dude, what the fuck? Let me ask Claude. Where's Claude? Where's my Claude tab at? Alright, there we go. Yeah, so, we do have it where it actually works now, which is cool. But I think I'm gonna have to rewrite the whole script because it's taking too long. Okay. So, chat, we're gonna be moving to the MSS library, so... Okay, so... I think we're gonna switch... Instead of, like, the built-in Python API, we're gonna switch to, like, NumPy or whatever. So... You give me... Dude, this is so much shit. Dude, looking at this code makes me fucking sick. I don't want to do that. Is there, like, a way... I just don't want to rewrite all that code. Because, like, I'm doing it on my own. Like, I'm not even using, like, I use ChatGPT to help me with, like, debugging and, like, finding resources. But I'm writing the code myself, unfortunately. This is me playing. I'm terrible at this game. So I need the bot to play for me. Also just some random ass game. I didn't know there was hold keys in this game. That's bad. I did not code the bot to do that. I did not know there was hold keys. there a way I can like... Okay, let's try what Claude's telling me to do. So it's telling me to delete this pixel color variable because apparently it's not called anywhere, which again, it might not be. Again, when I was writing this, I was just looking at documentation and I was just, why do I have a pixel color thing? I already call for it here. I call for target color. Why do I have a pixel? Whatever. Let me kill the fucking Python thing. Let me hit replay. Okay, let me start the fucking thing. Dude, that is so much faster. Chat, that is so much better. That is so much better. Oh my god, it's actually... It's working! It's kind of working. Okay. Let me replay that. I think the pixel tolerances are actually too high now. Yeah, they're too high. But it's working, guys. It's working. The bot is playing the fucking game. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, so the pixel tolerance is definitely way too high because it's able to fucking hit them from up there. I want to go ask like someone. So this is why I need to know where the pixels are on my screen because I need to put them down more towards the bottom. If you guys know what I'm saying, because it's. Can you not please for a second? Okay. Where are these pixels located on 1920 x 1080 monitor? I'm gonna go ask like Claude to generate me an image. Claude. I need like a diagram because I need to know where the pixels are so I can, you know. Where would these pixels be on a 1920 x 1080 monitor? Gen me an image, please. I'm not able, I don't have image creation. Can you create a... I'm not writing a code to generate a fucking image for me to tell me where the fuck this is. Is there like a site like where is the pixel? Pixel location. Chart? So yeah, that's not what we need at all. Chat, that's not what we need. Let me ask chat, because chat can actually generate me a fucking image. Where are these pixels on a 1920 x 10 on a 1920 x 1080 screen? Okay, so that's where they are. That is not supposed to be where horizontally, vertically, 320. So it has to be. What about 902 100? Oh, 1 second. It'd be like 902 700 would be down. Oh, why is that like that? That's so weird. Okay. Let's do like 700. 700. 700. I didn't know it went like that. I thought down would be more, like, the lower the number would be, the smaller it was, but I'm just stupid. Okay. We have this. And now let me go ahead and start the fucking thing. Can I start? Run Python file. Resume. Okay. Oh my god. Chat, look at this. Oh my god. I did it. I fucking did it. It seems like the other, like, what's it called? The one, let's see. I think D isn't working. It might not be working. No, it is. We need to fucking go down. Okay, actually, we don't need to go down. I just realized I still have the fucking box size set to fucking 300. So it's like, we're gonna set it to like 50. 50. We're gonna have a 50 box size. 50. 50. I'm so fucking happy, guys. This is gonna be the next video, by the way. So let's run and dedicate the terminal. Okay. Restart. I don't even care if it's offbeat. Oh my god. Oh my god. Boys, do you see it? Amazing. We still lost. That was a hard one though, I think. Or maybe it wasn't. I've no clue. I actually don't care. I'm just happy it works. Start game. Let's find a different song for it to play. Play this Oshinoko song. Actually, 1 second. Is there like a way I can play like easy? Is there like easy? We're just gonna play. Okay. Let's see this, chat. Area. I think I have it actually too low now. Like, it might be too low. 700 might be too low. Let's go 600. 600 might be better. So now we're just tweaking. We just have to tweak the shit. $600. Alright. Now, if I kill the terminal and I run it as a dedicated terminal, let's replay. No hands, guys. How can I make this faster? Like, do you see it? I mean, it's doing better. Just not doing good. I don't know why. Is there like... Can I like dedicate more computing power to this fucking Python script? What does run as task mean? Like, what does that actually mean, bro? How do I know when it's actually like working? Here, let me just try to open this and play. Because I actually have no clue. I don't know what run as task means. I've lost a subscriber from this stream. That's fucking great. Okay. It's still too high. It's still too high. This is better. I mean, I'm not, like... Yeah, that's too high. What about, like, 800? 960, 800. What about 800? It'd be, like, more towards the bottom. Or just cut off. Let's try 800. Like, my goal isn't to make, like, the best bot that's ever existed for this game. I just want to make it good enough that it can do a level on its own, or at least get past that part. Let's try 800. I want to see, so we're using Pi Auto GUI, so I'm gonna go see and make sure that the box, the box size actually exists, because if not, that could be slowing us down. Because there is a chance that Claude just told us wrong, and that doesn't exist as a function. Is there a box size? Is that a thing? I don't see anything about box sizes. Like, I just don't see anything about box. I see this box, but I think that's something else. I wonder if maybe turning up the tolerance could help, like going like 30 on the tolerance. I have no clue what that does. I'm guessing it just like it lets similar colors in. That would actually hurt it, but maybe it's too tolerant, like too, like, you know, maybe it's too I don't know. Let's just try it again. We just gotta like keep tweaking, I guess. Replay. Okay, I'm gonna try to just remove the box size variable, because that'll make the code run faster. Though I don't, because I don't know if box size actually exists as a fucking value in the thing, because the way I got box sizes, I was just asking like what's something I could do to make it where it scans more. Okay, let's run as task again, because I think that's about as fast as you can get Python to run. So that does work better. We need to like move the thing up so it's not like. See, if you're looking at the gameplay, it's like. Okay, we're going to move this up. So instead of 800, we're gonna go like 750, which is a between value. So we're gonna go 750 for each. I'm just gonna copy this and paste it here. There we go. Yeah, that works better. We're gonna go 750. Hope that works. Let me look up. Is running Python as task faster? Question mark. No. Okay. I'm gonna try adding a NumPy to increase, like, use multi-core performance. NumPy. Okay, so